Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I have my tie-dye on today because I am going to be doing my first impressions of the Color Surge collection. So the Color Surge collection are these 4 new ShadowSense colors. There are 3 that are shimmer and 1 that's matte. I've swatched them on my hand here. The first one is the lime green shimmer. The second is the amped up orange, which is the matte. Then we have fiery coral shimmer and plasma pink shimmer. Super bright, super fun colors. You can kind of pack them on like I did here, and you can see that they're totally smudge proof. You can pack them on here for a nice like amped up color, or you can smudge them out when you first apply them to have more of a sheer color. This is the first time I've applied them right here. I haven't put them on yet, so we're gonna play around with them today and see what they look like on and what we can do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some Candlelight ShadowSense down on my eyes, just to give them a nice like base, cancel out any redness or veininess that I have on my eyelids, and just give it a nice clean palette to start with. I tend to do this if I'm going to be playing with any color. If I'm just going to use like a brown or a dark shade, I might not do this, but if I want to be playing with colors, then I typically like to do this just so I can give myself something clean to work with. So did that. Now I'm really just not sure what I want to do with these colors yet. I've seen a lot of ladies put this underneath their eyes as a liner, so I might do that with this color at the end. But I think I'm going to mainly focus on these 3 for my lid. And I think I might apply the amped up orange all over as a base color and then see where we want to go from there. So you can see I definitely blended it out because this is what it looks like kind of packed on, and I blended it all over my lids. So you can see it's not super harsh. It's not super bright when you do blend it, but you can also layer it and pack it on so that you get that bright orange if that's what you want. So I think this is a nice base. I'm going to go in and put this fiery coral in the crease. This is fun, kind of reminds me of a sunset, matches my tie-dye pretty well. I think I want to take this bright pink and try to use it as liner on the top, so I can have like a nice dark line of this bright plasma pink shimmer on my eyes. So let's see if we can do that. So I'm going to take this angled brush, and it's a slightly larger angled brush. I don't know if you can see it too well. We're going to use this to try to make the liner. All right, so this is one eye. I'm not sure if I like the wing yet. I might get rid of that, but I'm going to put the other eye on and see how we feel after. All right, so I think it looks pretty cool, having the pink as a liner. Kind of fun. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this Buttercup shimmer. It's not part of the collection, but I'm just gonna put it in my inner corners just to brighten them up a little bit. now I think I'm going to try this lime green. So I'm going to use, I think, this Tine winged liner brush to put it underneath my eyes. Alright, so I added a little bit of liner, my 3-in-1 primer, and my mascara. And this is the final look. I think it looks super fun to have that little pop of green underneath and to have that pop of pink on top. And then even though it's a bright neon color, I sheared them out, so these two are not super dark or neon. They just have a nice wash of color. I personally really love orange for blue eyes. It just really helps them pop a bit. So I think this is a really fun look. So all 4 colors, if you do end up liking them, just so you know, they are sold separately. They also are sold together. If you buy them together, they come in this super fun, what's this? Patent leather, super fun neon patent leather bag, but they also do come all separately if you're interested in these colors. Once again, we have Plasma Pink Shimmer, Amped Up Orange, Plasma Pink Shimmer, Fiery Coral Shimmer, and Lime Green Shimmer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.